Let's start with the hard, verified facts. In early April 2026, the United States lost a highly advanced F-15E fighter jet over Iran. The pilot and weapons specialist ejected into hostile territory, requiring a high-stakes recovery operation in this rugged, unforgiving mountain terrain. The U.S. Department of War officially confirmed both the loss of the aircraft and the successful extraction of the two airmen. During his post-mission debriefing, the pilot provided a report detailing unconventional aerial vehicles in the combat zone just before his aircraft was lost. The loss of a primary air superiority platform under these conditions creates an information vacuum. When the military cannot immediately provide a clear tactical explanation, that vacuum is often filled by public speculation and anxiety. Almost immediately, a viral media narrative emerged, claiming the pilot was swarmed by an extraterrestrial entity shaped like a giant jellyfish. According to leaked reports, the pilot described a large central mass in the sky, with smaller tentacle-like drones interconnected and moving in total unison. Defense analysts looked at that exact same description and stripped away the sci-fi elements, identifying the phenomenon as a highly advanced terrestrial drone mothership. These two interpretations come from entirely different ecosystems. One relies on monetizing mystery and entertainment, while the other is strictly focused on assessing geopolitical risk. This table compares the incident profiles: the verified event on the left, the viral claim in the middle, and the analytical claim on the right. You must choose to either lean into a sci-fi fantasy or confront a highly concerning military reality. The viral broadcast anchors its entire thesis on the pilot's phrase, alien-looking. They take a subjective description of an unusual drone formation and treat it as a literal proof of extraterrestrials. The broadcast then layers on a secondary theory. They claim the Pentagon is staging a fake UFO threat to justify a massive budget increase for space-based laser weapons. Looking at the immense scale of the Pentagon, they already possess massive terrestrial defense budget mechanisms. They secure hundreds of billions of dollars annually for conventional drone and missile defense programs without needing a specialized UFO narrative to do so. Furthermore, the Pentagon's own All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office has explicitly stated they have found zero evidence of extraterrestrial technology in any UAP cases. Accepting the viral narrative requires a specific trade-off. You surrender factual geopolitical awareness in exchange for an entertaining sci-fi distraction. Classifying unidentified battlefield threats as alien creates a blind spot. It obscures the very real, rapid advancements being made by peer military adversaries. So let's look at the pilot's description again. A large craft with smaller, connected modules moving in unison. In modern warfare, this is known as a drone mothership. It's a central carrier system that networks with dozens of smaller, deployable drones in midair. Peer adversaries have been actively developing this exact operational capability. China has already built and flown systems like the Zhutian, designed to act as a heavy aerial carrier for drone swarms. The tactical advantage of a mothership is the ability to deploy an expanding, networked mesh in the sky. As you can see in this simulation, these autonomous swarms are designed to confuse or overwhelm traditional fighter jets. When you mount explosive payloads onto a small cluster of quadcopters, they become a mobile, aerial minefield. They move adaptively based on the target's flight path. This chart maps theories based on evidence and origin. The alien Psyop claim lands bottom left, zero documented proof, relying on extraterrestrial speculation. Mapping the drone swarm capability places it firmly in the documented terrestrial quadrant, confronting the fact that U.S. air superiority is vulnerable. Now we need to look at how the viral channel benefits from prioritizing the alien theory. It comes down to how they monetize the anxiety their content generates. Midway through their broadcast, the host makes a sudden transition from analyzing a downed military jet into an endorsement for a preventative medical cleanse. The product they are pushing is a $250 bottle of compounded ivermectin and mebendazole, marketed as a way to eradicate hidden parasites from your body. The host claims raw fish is causing an explosion of parasites. However, evidence-based guidance from the CDC and FDA states that freezing and cooking seafood properly kills parasites. Actual symptoms require a medical diagnosis, not a generic mail-order cleanse. This is an example of a low credibility wrapper. The channel takes a kernel of high-signal geopolitical news, a downed jet, and buries it inside a thick layer of conspiracy to bypass your critical thinking. This flowchart traces their strategy. It starts with a real geopolitical event, diverts into injecting fear and UFO mystery, and funnels that emotional response into pitching a medical solution. Consuming this type of media is a poor investment. It asks you to trade away both your financial and physical health just to feel like you've learned a secret. Let's separate the verified, actionable facts of the April incident from the speculative media packaging designed to sell supplements. The undisputed anchor point of this story is that an American F-15E was shot down, and the crew had to be rescued from hostile territory. The extraterrestrial UFO theories and the complex space laser Psyops remain unsupported fictions. They offer zero proof. The core intelligence you need to understand is the emerging threat of networked aerial drone swarms and their ability to outmaneuver traditional aircraft. This scorecard shows what we keep and what we throw away. Accurately navigating modern crises requires actively stripping away the viral packaging until you find the verifiable core data underneath. When you evaluate defense news and global conflicts, you are ultimately making a choice about how you source your reality. If you choose the viral source, you get high entertainment and an emotional echo chamber. The trade-off is that you are left misinformed about world events and financially exploited by their sponsors. If you choose the analytical source, you have to invest the cognitive effort to process dry, technical defense data. In return, you are rewarded with genuine situational awareness. Processing information today means taking a chaotic digital environment and consciously restructuring it into a single clean line of logic. The media ecosystem weaponizing this incident against the viewer's grip on reality represents a more enduring risk than the original drone technology.